Keep that bike. Rubber side down.
You and there, ladies and gents, how's it going? It's out for a little spin on this glorious, glorious sunny Saturday on my little 765R. I've got to get 1,000 miles on it by the end of the month, so it can go in for its service, which isn't going to be a problem. I'm going to make sure of it. But yeah, the track day video I posted from Anglesey the other day, the first one from the day, had a comment on it from a chap who subs to me, and I subscribe to his channel, and he asked why did I do that on my Moto Guzzi instead of this bike, which would have been far more capable. And I think the point of why I did it on the Moto Guzzi was utterly missed by him, and it's not his fault. I mean, he doesn't know me, he just knows the videos I post, so it's no slight or anything like that. But yes, I just enjoy riding. I enjoy the experience of pushing something through its paces, of pushing myself, of just having a giggle. And at the end of the day, for me, riding a motorcycle is purely a pleasure device. I mean, sometimes they get me from A to B, but or rather A to C, but the B, the journey, that's the bit that I enjoy. And even on track, it's a journey around every single lap. And although this bike is, on paper, far, far superior and would have given me far faster lap times should I have chosen to use it, I would have probably enjoyed myself a lot less. And I know for some of you, the riding fast is what it's all about. Riding the leanest, meanest, greatest, super duper, hyper retard machine is the Dux Danglies for you. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, but I'd much rather push a slow bike hard than barely touch the abilities of a far more capable bike. Now then, with me saying that, you're probably wondering, well, why did I buy this bike? Why didn't I just use the Moto Guzzi for everything I do? Well, I can't, because I chopped his backside off and gave it really obnoxious exhaust pipes. So yeah, it's not suitable for everything I'd want to do on a motorcycle. And don't get me wrong, I love to have a hoon every now and again, and I really enjoyed taking this around Brands Hatch. I really did. It was an amazing experience, and I can't wait to do it again now I've got the rear sets fitted to this. But it didn't take any joy away from me only having sort of 45 odd brake horsepower on that Moto Guzzi, none whatsoever. I mean, I think most of those who watched that video, or at least those who watched all of it, would have been able to see the joy and giggles that came out of my gob. The whole thing was just an amazing, fun day. And I managed to show up some bikes as well. Maybe not in that session that I showed on the first video, but if they haven't already come out, those videos are to come. So yeah, for me, doing track days, it's about the fun, it's not about the lap times. I mean, obviously it would be great if I could get super duper lap times, World Superbike beating Valentino Rossi arse kicking lap times, but I'm never going to be able to do that. I'm way too long in the tooth for learning much more in the way of technique and speed. I think every time you ride a bike you learn more about it and more about yourself. Whether you remember those lessons or not is a completely different thing. So as long as I've got a grin on my chops and I'm pushing what I'm riding, it's all groovy, it's all gravy, baby. I don't know whether that really explains sort of why it was I chose to do it on the Guzzi. It's why I went to Anglesey on the Guzzi, that's for sure, was because there's no other circuit in the UK where I'd be able to use that motorcycle as it was there and then on that track day. Those exhaust pipes would never pass noise testing on any other circuit, even if I tried putting the baffles back in them. They just wouldn't happen. So it was my opportunity to have that one last go at thrapping that little beastie on some closed circuit. Anyway, about to get to the end of this road, so if you understand what I mean, give this video a little thumbs up, and if you didn't, you can give it a little thumbs down. It's all cool in the school. But whatever you do, please drop in a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on what makes a good track bike, a good road bike, what makes you get the kicks most out of what you're riding? Do you need to have the latest greatest R1M or whatever they're on these days? Or are you quite happy on an X-Moto? There's no wrong answer on that, because it's all about your opinion, your choices in life. It's nothing to do with anyone else really, although quite interesting to hear the perspectives that other people have. Anyway, if you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button. It'd be great to have you come back for some more. If you haven't already, please check out that Moto Guzzi Anglesey video. It did really well in its first few days, so yeah, I'm hoping that video does really well. Lots of people have said that they loved the video, so do check it out. I'll put a link to it at the end of this. Anyways, boring road and all that sort of stuff. You ride safe, take care, and we shall catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.
Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike. Rubber side down.